Hi everyone, I am SK from Blender 3D Artist YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to model from this image to this 3D model with some simple step. Without further delay, let's get started. Add a reference image, adjust the opacity and align to center. Add a cube and go to edit mode. Adjust the size and align all vertices the same as our reference image base. Select all the center vertices and scale it to Z-axis by 0. Go to Face Select mode, select the center face, then press I to insert the face. Adjust the size and height of that face. Select the face and press E to extrude the inward. Now add a cylinder, adjust the size. Add some loop cuts and align to the same as our reference. Not perfectly but similar to the reference image. Continuously extrude and align the vertices, try to match with our reference image. Go to the top view, select the top face and delete it. Go to the modifier property and add two modifiers, one solidify modifier and another one subdivision surface modifier. Place the solidify modifier on top. Set the sub D label to 2. Now select the top part, go to edit mode. Select the edges you want to make sharp. Increase the mean bevel weight for those edges, which one you want to make sharp. Go to object mode, add a single vertices, adjust the position. We can model this one side of the parts, which looks like the wing. I don't know what it is called, but okay. Select the vertex to extrude along the reference image, just extruded roughly, no need to make the same, because we were going to use the subdivision modifier. Add a subdivision modifier, and adjust the points required based on your model. In my case, I'm adjusting at some point. Go to Object Mode and apply the subdivision surface in Label 2. Now select the vertices mesh and convert it into a curve. In Edit Mode, adjust the thickness and extrude for the curve. In Edit Mode, select all the vertices and press Ctrl+T to tilt toward the Y-axis. Our curve is still not perfect, so we need to make more smoother. For that case, I am going to apply one subdivision modifier to level 1. I like to make a bit different design for the wings. I still don't know what it's called. So I'm just selecting the second vertices from the one side and Alt+S to scale a bit bigger. And for the last vertex, I'm going to select the last vertex, then Alt+S to make it smaller. For the other side, I'm going to do the same as top how I do for this one. Now go to Object Mode, add a mirror modifier. Now our modeling part is almost done. Now remove the reference image, or you can hide it. For the base, I'm going to add a bevel and a subdivision modifier and adjust the size of bevel. In this point, I feel like I have to add some more edges and scale it to the outward, so I'm going to place some edges simply by adding some loop cuts. You can follow me along. If you like, otherwise you can leave as it is. I have to add some edges, then I'm going to select all the faces and extrude along the normal. You can do it by Ctrl+E and extrude along the normal. These edges are not giving me nice and smooth look, so in that case, I am selecting all the loops edges by simply selecting Ctrl+Alt, then right-click. Then remove the all creases from these edges. Now go to Object Mode, add a text, then tap to Edit Mode. Replace the text with what you like to put in the trophy. In my case, I am just writing first winner. Then in Text Property panel, I am adjusting the space between two text lines, and you can adjust as you like. Go to Object Mode rotated by the axis 90 degrees scale and adjust it to fit into the extruded faces where we want to put the text. Go to Text Data Property in right panel, extrude and adjust the smoothness by just adding some depth into text. Add plane, rotate it to the 90 degrees by axis, scaled it so fit inside the same box where we place the text. Go to Edit Mode, Edit, Adjust Vertices. Now select the face. Press X to delete Only Face. Make sure it's Only Face. Go to Object Mode, select the plane that we added, convert it into curve. Adjust the thickness of curve. Now our modeling part is all done. Now, we will just set some material into it. We are not going to make a complicated material. It's simple and super easy. Go to Shader Editor, delete the Principal BSDF, then add Glossy BSDF. Reduce the roughness and select the color to yellow. Select the bottom part, click Anew the Principal BSDF, set it color to fully black, metallic value to low. Roughness bit higher, set the color what you like. In my case, I'm using the color black. Select the text, click on New. In this text, I'm going to make something metallic, so I'm going to increase the metallic value and lower the roughness. Then I'm going to add some anisotropy to it, so it will reflect just a bit of light. For the border that we created using the curve, I am going to apply the same material with what I applied for the text, so texturing part is almost done. This is just a simple texture that I applied. It can be a more complicated if you want to make more complicated, but it should be fine for the most of the purpose. But if you want to make more realistic, in that case, we have to add some more layers, some bump into it. In most of the cases, it's fine. I have rendered some more photos using the same model. Just please enjoy. If you like the tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to comment if you have any questions regarding this video or suggestion.